Hello students, welcome to our next lesson. So I am Teacher Villy, your maths teacher. Please bring the following: your notebook, your pencil, and your eraser. You need these things as we go on through the lesson. Let's start with the first activity. So this is true or false. Write true if the statement is correct, and write false if the statement is wrong. So we have the table. Number 1, we have the number and written in expanded form. So you have to check it and tell whether is it true or false. So the number we have 47,061,093 is written in expanded form as 40 million plus 7 million plus 60,000 plus 1,000 plus 90 plus 3. So what do you think? Is it true or false? Alright, so this is true. Very good. Number 2, we have the number 5,127,707. So what's your answer? What do you think? Is it true or false? Okay, so the answer is false. Why false? Because we have the number, we have 5 million, we have 100,000, we have the number 27,000. This is not in its expanded form. It should be 20,000 plus 7,000. That's why it's incorrect or false. Very good. Number 3, we have the number 2,960,049,100 is written in expanded form as 2 million plus 90 plus 60 plus 40 plus 9 plus 1. So what do you think? Is it true or false? Alright, so the answer is false. Very good. Why it's false or incorrect? Because we have 900. This is not 900. It should be 900 million. This is 60. It's not 60. It should be 60 million. And we have 40 or 40. This is not 40. It should be 40,000. And this is not 9. It should be 9,000. And this is not 1. It should be 100. Very good. Let's move on to number 4. The number is 100,225. So is this true or false? Alright, so the correct answer is true. We have, this is 100 million, so this is correct. 100 million. And we have 200. We have 200. We have 20. Therefore, we have 20. And then 5. 5. Therefore, it's true. Number 5. Number 5, we have the number 3,874,402. So is it true or false? Alright, so it's false. Very good. Why it's false? Let's check all together. We have 3 million. This is 3 million. It's correct. 800,000. 800,000. It's correct. 70,000. Correct. 70,000. We have 4,000. Correct. We have the hundreds place, which is 4. Therefore, it should be 400. It's not 40. That's why it's false. Excellent. Next, let's move on to our next activity. So this is fill in the gaps or fill in the blanks. You're going to write your answer in the gaps or in the blank. Fill in the gaps or fill in the blanks. We have question number 1. We have the number 590,467 is equal to 500,000 plus blank plus 400 plus blank plus 7. So what are the missing numbers? Alright, so let's take number 1 first. We have, this is 500,000 plus this should be, this is in the 10,000, so therefore it should be 90,000 plus 400. We have the tens place, it's 6, therefore plus 60 plus 7. Great. Next we have number 2. Number 3, number 4, and number 5. So what you're going to do is to fill the gaps. I'll give you 2 minutes to finish this problem. Timer starts now. Time's up. So let's check your answer. Let's take number 2. We have the number 4,281,912. So we have 4 million. Next we have the digit 2. This should be 200,000 plus 80,000 plus 1,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 2. Very good. Number 3, we have the number 914,825,077. This can be written in expanded form as 900 million plus 10 million plus 4 million plus 800,000 plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 70 plus 7. Very good. Number 4, the number is 41,078,900 can be written in expanded form as 40 million plus 1 million 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 900. Excellent. And we have number 5. What is the number? This is already given. The expanded form is given. So we have 10 billion 1 plus 1 billion plus 10,000 plus 100 plus 10. So the number is 11 billion 10,000 110. Excellent. Alright, so let's move on to our vocabulary. New words today. Ready? So don't forget to write these words in your notebook. Number 1, we have the word compare. Compare. When we say compare, is to look for the difference between two or more things, quantities or amounts. So we have to compare two or more things or quantities or amounts. So I'll give you an example. 1,000 and 100,000. So we have 1,000 is less than 100,000, or 100,000 is greater than 1,000. So we compare 1,000 and 100,000. This is to compare things, quantities, or amounts. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Number 2, greater than. Greater than. So greater means bigger. Greater or bigger. So we have the example 20,000 is greater than 10,000 or bigger than. 20,000 is bigger than 10,000. Understood? So this is greater than or bigger. This is the symbol used for the word greater than. We use this symbol. Third, less than. Less than or is smaller than. Smaller or less than. We have example 2,000 is less than 5,000 or 2,000 is smaller than 5,000. So we have to use the symbol less than. This is the symbol for the word less than. Next we have equal to. Means they are the same. Equal. Example 1,500 is equal to 1,500. They are the same or equal. We have the symbol equal. This is the symbol of the word equal to or equal. Once again, so comparing numbers. We have the symbol and their meaning. Number one, this symbol means greater than, or bigger. Number two, this symbol means is less than or smaller than. I'll repeat, less than or smaller than. We have this symbol means is equal to, equal to. So our lesson for today is all about comparing counting numbers. Example, compare the numbers 7,194,000 and 86,105,000. So let's compare these two numbers. The number 7,194,000 has 7 places. 7 places or 7 digits. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we call it as 7 places or 7 digits. And the number 86,105,000 has 8 places or 8 digits. So, to compare these two numbers, therefore 7,194,000 is less than 86 7,105,000. I'll repeat. 7,194,000 is less than 86,105,000. Or in symbol, that is the symbol for the word less than. So 7,194,000 is less than 86,105,000. Note that to compare counting numbers, if you are comparing two numbers, the number that has the greatest number of digits is the greater number. What does it mean? If you are comparing two numbers, the number that has the greatest number of digits is the greater number. Going back to this, 7,194,000 has 7 digits or places, while 86,105,000 has 8 places or 8 digits. Therefore, it has 8 places or digits. Which is bigger, 7 or 8? Right, it should be 8. Therefore, it says 8 is the greatest number of digits. Therefore, it's the greater number. Get it? Okay. So let's move on to our example number 2. Let us compare the numbers 5 million and 500,000. 5 million has 7 places or 7 digits, and 500,000 has 6 places or 6 digits. Therefore, 5 million is greater than 500,000. Or in symbol, we use the symbol 5 million is greater than 500,000. Note that if you are comparing two numbers, the number that has the greatest number of digits is the greater number. See, look at this. This is 7 places or 7 digits, and this number has 6 places or 6 digits. Therefore, 7 is greater than 6. That's why we have 5 million is greater than 500,000. Very good. Let's move on to our next example, number 3. Let us compare the numbers 27,879,000 and the number 27,897,000. Okay, so we have this number has 8 places or 8 digits. We have 0, 0, 0, 9, 7, 8, 2, 7 rather, and 2. We have 8 digits or 8 places. Same true with the number 27,897,000. It has also 8 places or 8 digits. So to compare with, check first the 10 millionths place. They are the same. So let's compare which one is greater, which one is lesser. Or are they equal? Let's check it. So let's start from left. Next we have the digit 7 that is in the millions place. They are the same, 7 and 7. Next we move on the digit 8. They are the same. Now let's move on to the 10,000s place. So this is 7 and this is 9. So they are different. So based from this, we can compare these two immediately. So we have 9 and 7. Which is which one has the greater value? Or which one is bigger or greater, 9 or 7? Right, it's 9. Therefore, since 9 is greater, therefore we have 27,897,000 is greater than 27,879,000. So we use the symbol 27,897,000 is greater than 27,879,000. Very good. Now let's move on to our next example. Number 4. So let's compare the numbers 177 million and the number 177 million. To compare with, let's compare their places. We have this number has 9 places or 9 digits. Same true with this number, has 9 places or 9 digits. Now let's compare their place or the value of its digit or the digits in this number. We have 1 and 1, the same thing. 7 and 7, they are the same. 7 and 7, they are the same. Move it to the right. 0, 0, 0, the same. 0, 0, and 0. Means they are the same. They are what we call equal. Therefore, 177 million is equal to 177 million. They are the same or equal. We use the symbol equal. 177 million is equal to 177 million. Excellent. Okay, so try this activity. Write the symbol greater than, lesser than, or equal to in its box. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Write your answer on your notebook. I'll give you 30 seconds. Timer starts now. Alright, time's up. So let's check your answer. Ready? Number 1. 3,012,000 is greater than 30,120. Very good. Number 2. 18,102 is less than 1,810,299. Great job. Number 3. 4,721,452 is greater than, sorry, it should be less than. I'll repeat. 4,721,452 is less than 47,214,527. Number 4. The number 86,101,511 is equal to 86,101,511. Very good. Number 5. 921,121,688 is less than 921,121,866. Excellent. Thank you for listening. I do hope that you understand the lesson that we have discussed today. If you have any question, just comment down below. See you again in our next lesson. Have a good day. Goodbye.